unboxing. Something I got. I think it'll make it easier for me in the future to make these videos. As you can see from the picture I'll put in at the end of this video, how much who's or what's I'm going through to record these. I got me a tripod for the camera. This way I can step up my recording game. Alright. It's all classy and swanky. Look at that. Comes in its own nylon bag. That's a symbol of quality right there. Alright. Ooh, look at that. We're big time now, huh? Works for phones, or it'll work for the flip cam that I use right now. It's supposed to have pretty long leg length, so that will work. Alright. Coolio!